This is Software for Sensitivity.
The Sensitivity tab allows you to enable day-night sensitivity. This relates to the sensitivity of the smoke and heat detectors at day and at night. Oftentimes, in a specification, they will ask for the day sensitivity to be less than the night sensitivity for the detectors. So this is where you will enable that by checking the box. And then you will set up your night schedule. When does night start, or when do people leave the building, and then when do people enter the building, or when does night end? And that would be your end time. Normally occupied, normally buildings are occupied Monday through Friday, Saturday and Sunday being a day when they are not occupied. You can also set up a holiday schedule where you can add holidays, and it is set up by month and then day. And these would behave as a weekend or nighttime all the time as well for sensitivity. The sensitivity of the smoke detectors and heat detectors is adjusted in the zone settings in the Zones tab of the software.
The next video in the software series is email reporting. For more information on programming, please refer to the installation manual and find other resources on our website at www.pottersignal.com.